The 19th participant in the Silva challenge is Mark Anthony. Now, ahead of time, he mentioned a while back that he likes Monte Carlo stock cars. So I went through and found a couple of those. Interestingly enough, they're both Shrek themed. So those are going in the box. And the Stutz that I really don't like. I do plan on doing something with the Stutz at some point. But I had these two that I quickly found. So I'm throwing those in the challenge too. So he starts off with something that he kind of wants. Then here's where it goes off the rails. Let's see. What is this? Off-track Hot Wheels. That looks like you can do something with that. Something decent. I don't know how much digging I'm going to do in here. I keep coming across these models of yesteryear. This has the wheel, so I'm hanging on to that because I have a feeling I'm going to need wheels for those at some point. For this beat to hell casting, this is what, a 1911 Maxwell Roadster. Yeah, that's in rough shape. Perfect. What? That's a chunk too. Put a chunk of that in. Oh, huh. Put that in there. Yeah, I'm just throwing stuff in here. Solid muscle. Okay. Let's see. Construction. A Tonka. Maisto Tonka dump truck. That could be kind of cool. I want to put a plane in here. I need to put a plane in here somehow. And I recently added to the planes that I have, or aircraft, let's put it that way. There's a ship though. Yeah, that's gonna wait. Oh, hey. Matchbox mission helicopter. That's kind of cool. Well, this looks like a tuned version of an F-14. And I've got this SR-71, which is kind of cool. SR-71 can wait. I'm giving you the tuned F-14. Just cuz. And that can wait. That'll go on something else. T-Rex, what the? A Zuru metal machines. Doesn't say what it is other than T-Rex. Ooh. Yeah, maybe you can do something with it. I gotta make sure I don't go too tall in the box. Yeah, there's another. Huh. 129. What's 129? 129 is an old Hot Wheels beat to hell pickup somehow. With farm implements in the back. I don't know what the 129 is. Huh. I'm throwing that part away. Yeah. Maybe you can do something with that. Eesh. Hot Wheels Backdrafter. That has some cool wheels on it, though. As I'm doing this, I'm kind of curious what your plans are going to be for the Stutz. The two Stutz cars and the two Monte Carlos. If you're just going to throw those in your collection, or if you're actually going to gas land them. Oh, that's a piece of junk. Huh. I won't do that to you. The Motosaurus. Oh, and they're flexi. Eesh. If anybody thinks they want the Motosaurus, let me know. The Carbonator always seems like something that could be done in a way to make this look like a big gun somehow. Almost like close that off, make it look like a gun, put a seat up here somewhere. Yeah. Throw a carbonator in there. I think it'll fit. Yeah. There's a van that I obviously took the real riders off of. Must have been a Star Wars van. That's what I try and do a lot of times, is put tape around the casting after I like take it apart to keep it together. Throw that in there. You can do something productive with that, I'm sure. I think I'm Escort Cabriolet. Are they trying to say that's a Ford Escort? Made in China, no identification under it. Escort is what it says back here. It's a real funky casting. Looks like it's supposed to be a Chevy logo on the... Oh, maybe it's a Ford. Maybe it is a Ford Escort. Maybe it is supposed to be a Ford Escort. Okay. I think that's it for the castings. Yeah, I think that's it for the casting. So let me move this out of the way. Okay, so there's where we're at on that stuff. Oh, let me throw that in there. I have some 3D printed parts still from Time Rider remaining. So throw that in there. Here's some wheels and tires. Some more wheels and tires. And wheels and tires. Some guns and stuff. A cannon looking thing. More guns and engines. And another cannon looking thing. And another cannon looking thing and a gun. Yeah, I think we're about to the end of the Time Rider stuff. Yeah, probably the next one will take care of that. But then we got the stuff I've printed. I haven't 3D printed for a while because of technical difficulties, but I printed a bunch of skulls before. So there's some skulls, there's some tanks and stuff. I really need to get some stuff 3D printing again. Some rams for the front. Some rockets. More rockets. Some engines. Yeah, the back here looks like a good spot for the engines. In the Tonka. Some pipes. Lord, I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm having fun. Hopefully you are too. I think that's it. As most people realize now, when I send these out, if you've seen any of the opening videos, I do also throw some stickers in here, some other goodies, some recent stickers I've done. And then once the challenge is completed, each participant who completes the challenge gets a special sticker commemorating that. So this is coming out to you, Mark. I'm thinking it'll go in the mail tomorrow. So probably when the video comes out, it'll be in the mail at the same time. So everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy these videos. Catch you in the next one.